5-axis machines at Bouleux can handle complex part geometries with ease, allowing the tool to approach the part from any direction. This flexibility is ideal for creating intricate designs, undercuts, and contoured surfaces that would be impossible or inefficient with 3-axis machines. With 5-axis machining, a part can be machined in a single setup by accessing multiple sides and angles without repositioning. This eliminates the need for multiple setups and fixtures, saving time and reducing the risk of misalignment errors.